this around should catch up to Skywalker in no time. Just need to pull out the turbo speed adjuster. Oh no, please, don't get this one onions. Oh, no anymore.
R2, I think we did it. We destroyed the last TIE fighter. Woo! Alright, time to gear up for hyperdrive. Alright. Should be good to go. Wow, this thing is fast. It's a really fast hyperdrive mouse. Alright, let's go. Oh, let me take this. 3, 2, 1. This is the Razer Atheris Bluetooth mouse, and I'm going to show you why this is a really good portable mouse coming up. So as I mentioned before, this is the Razer Atheris. It has two programmable side buttons right here, which look kind of metal-ish. And it has this scroll wheel, which you can program the button. There's only one programmable side button, though. It's this one right here. You cannot push it this way to program any buttons, sadly. And you have the two clicks right there, obviously. And one DPI button, which you have to scroll through to get to your right DPI setting, which you can adjust in Razer Synapse. And the cool thing about this mouse is it's not only Bluetooth, but it also has
USB dongle.
So if you don't have Bluetooth on your keyboard, you could still use 2.4
gigahertz
connection. So to get to the actual underside of the mouse, you have to pull up on this plate right here. And I actually much prefer this connection over Bluetooth as it's more reliable, because it's a direct connection technically, and you switch to it by going down to 2.4 right there. And it comes with two Energizer batteries. The only thing people don't like about this mouse is that it doesn't have chroma, sadly, or any color at all, except for on the DPI sensor. It changes between green and blue, depending on the settings you're on. And the cool thing about it is it's in a form factor, unlike the Razer Mamba, which is made for primarily right-handed people. This one can work with left-handed and right-handed people, except if you use the left-handed, you'll have to use your pinky for the side buttons instead of your thumb. But it still is by handle. I don't know if that's a word. That's pretty much it for this mouse, though. It's a pretty cool mouse, and it's wireless, so it's about 50 bucks. So if you want to pick it up, check out the Amazon link down below. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to check out my Razer Mamba video. It's somewhere around here on an end screen card. And don't forget to subscribe for more Razer reviews. Thank you guys so much for watching, and bye! You know what? I can't edit that, so I'm gonna just end it here.